What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu and baby Shiba Inu today. I haven't talked about baby Shiba Inu in a while, but they do have some good news today, so we're going to go over them. And we're also going to go over Shiba Inu. So please hit that like button, subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. But more importantly, please hit the like button. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about next. Let me know what you guys want me to go over, and I will definitely do that. I have a whole list of stuff that you guys mentioned, and I will definitely go over those. And I have not forgot anyone. So also, please check out the links in the description too for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. Especially Public.com. That's the one I use mostly for my stocks. And then I have other crypto stuff. But anyways, let's move on to the topic of discussion. And the first thing I want to talk about is the technical analysis here that I've done with Shiba Inu. Now, I've been following this technical analysis for a while with Shiba Inu. That's why you see all this stuff over here. I've been following Shiba Inu since, let's say April, somewhere around April or May. And yeah, it's been doing really good actually. But anyways, over here, as you can see, Shiba Inu has been going down a little bit. Now we are below our support line that we had, the 720 area. And now we're actually going down over here down to 672. So that's our next support line that we're going to end up reaching. And it looks like we're going to continue to go down there. As you can see here, we are kind of getting rejected here. It does not want to stay above the 0.0000701 area. So it does not want to stay above that. Hopefully we can. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but we're going to go over this technical analysis in full today. So let's go over FX Street because they do a pretty good job at doing the technical analysis. So Shiba Inu correction is still not over. More pain yet to come for Shib. Shout out to the author of this article, Sarah Tran. So I believe she did the technical analysis here. So let's talk about this. Shiba Inu is awaiting a 7% drop after losing a quarter of its value from its swing high on August 17th. The risk is skewed to the downside as a prevailing chart pattern suggests that Shib still has room to fall. Failure to slice above the 7380, which is 0.0000738, which is the 100,000th place. I could just say that, it'd be way easier. It could spell more trouble for the bulls. So Shiba Inu has presented a clear downtrend since its local top at the 100,000 place of 947 on August 17th. Shib has painted a bearish outlook with a governing technical pattern that suggests the K9 themed cryptocurrency still faces the risk of a 7% drop from the current level. So the 7% drop would actually bring us down to the 672 area, which is the 100,000 of 672. So if it brings us all the way down to that area, that will be a very red area for us. And that would be bringing us down to the Fibonacci retracement level of the 236 area, 0.2362 or 0.236. But yeah, if we do go all the way down there, that would be 7% down. So that's what they're talking about. And we're more than likely going to end up touching down there. Now, we may be able to build momentum from there. Think about it. We may be able to build momentum. As you can see here, this is a straight downtrend. Like, let's just make this line here so you can see what I'm talking about. That is a straight downtrend there. But usually whenever we have something like that, it leads us to go on a uptrend. Because look, when we finally hit, let me make this little circle here so you can see this. When we finally hit this support line here, this is going to give us momentum to start going right back up. So we may actually have some potential to go on an uptrend after this. So hopefully we can. But anyways, Shiba Inu Bulls dog tired as Shib continues to retrace. That's a weird statement there. Shiba Inu is on course for a 19% downswing. Blah blah blah. The governing chart pattern suggests a pessimistic target toward the 651 area, coinciding with the 78.5% Fibonacci retracement as the bulls hand over control to the bears. The momentum is skewed to the downside as Shiba Inu has already fallen 12% from the neckline, the technical pattern. However, the Shiba Inu price may discover a foothold at the 686 area before plunging toward the aforementioned bearish target. Should Shib fail to sustain above this level, the dog themed crypto would end up at the 651 area. That is very bad. So let's actually go over there and look at what they're talking about here. So if we don't get back up to our resistance, they're saying, look, we're going to hit that 672 area. And if we keep going down on this negative trend line, they're saying that we're going to reach this area way down here, which is the 658 area, somewhere around there. So that would be our next support line. Anyways, Shiba Inu, yes, it has been going down. I'm going to be completely honest here. Shiba Inu has a lot to do because if it doesn't, we're going to get back down to these lows that we were previously at, 571. That was really low down there. I don't want to see Shiba Inu do that. That would be terrible. Let's keep going though. Further, the breakout The breakout line given by the momentum reversal indicator suggests that Shiba Inu may see the 7% drop materialize if the bears burst through the 680 area. So we could burst through that area. But anyways, let's keep going with this. On the flip side, the bulls managed to shift price to the upside. Shiba Inu is most likely to face resistance at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level at the 714 area. So the following obstacle may arise at the 204-hour simply moving average to the 738 area. Moving forward, Shiba Inu may continue to print lower highs, and as the diagonal resistance trend line that meets the 204-hour SMA pressures Shiba in a downtrend area. Anyways, I don't know why I had so much trouble reading that. But anyways, this is the trend line that they're talking about here, and we're about to meet that right here at our support line, which will give us some momentum to try to break this area up here at 724. So we might have some bullish sentiment here, but it just depends on how Shiba Inu performs. So an increase in the buying pressure may see Shib reach the 50-hour SMA near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at the 759 area. However, higher levels are not expected of Shiba Inu unless purchasing volume ramps up, shifting in the power back to the bulls. So I'm going to tell you exactly why the power is about to be given back to the bulls. I'm going to tell you exactly why we're about to start going on an uptrend and why I do believe this. Look, first things first. Look, we're going down to this trend line, right? We're going down on this negative trend line. So as soon as we hit this support, the support line is going to send it's going to send a signal. So what the signal that is going to send is going to start building momentum back up to the resistance going to the 723 area. And then once it says that signal, when's that signal going to come? No one knows. But how is it going to come? I'm going to tell you exactly how it's going to come. Look at this right here. Shiba Inu. Look at this Google ad. That is a Google ad, but I'm going to put this in a bigger picture here. So as you can see, it says Google Play. Now, this is a Google Play ad ran by Webull. Webull is literally advertising on Google for Shiba Inu. This is going to make more people invest in Shiba Inu. This is going to put more money into Shiba Inu in general. This is going to help Shiba Inu out a lot. So it says it right here. Now you can trade it on Webull. Definitely check out the link in the description. Sign up for Webull. Start trading Shiba Inu on Webull. Definitely do that. We'll both get a free stock if you sign up and deposit $100. So you could take that stock and then put it into Shiba Inu and take the 100 that you deposited and put it in Shiba Inu. Then boom, you got Shiba Inu. But anyways, it says you asked, we listened. Shiba Inu coin is here. Trade Shiba at a minimum of $10. So you can only minimally trade $10, no less, but you can also always trade more. So anyways, trade Shiba Inu on Webull now. But look, I'm just so happy that they're advertising it on Google Play. And as you can see, it's got the 4.3 star rating on Google Play, so that's good. Shiba Inu is now being advertised on there. Money is about to start flowing through from Webull. Webull is actually a pretty big platform, so there's going to be a lot of people investing into Shiba Inu. People that are usually invested into the stock market rather than the crypto market are now going to be putting their money into Shiba Inu because they're actually advertising it on the Webull app and they're advertising it on Google Play Store. So that's big news right there. That's one of the reasons why I really believe that we're about to reverse this and then end up hitting our resistance up here and then breaking this next line of resistance and then hopefully getting up to that 0.00008 area, which is the 100,008 area. So hopefully we actually reach that. We have some big news though. Look at this. Shiba Inu now at rank 47. That sucks. We were at rank 45. And previously, before that, around May and April, we were like rank 25. So it definitely sucks to see Shiba Inu keep dropping down in the ranks here. Down 14% for the last 7 days, 1.42% for the last 24 hours. I got to report the good, the bad, and the ugly with Shiba Inu. I can't just come here and tell you guys about all the good stuff going on. So yes, it is good that we have this Webull thing going on, but it's bad that we also are now at rank 47 and that we keep losing our rank and our value. And on top of that, it's also bad that we lost this championship to Baby Doge. So now they're getting the money, they're getting the reward, they're getting the extra liquidity and market cap inside of their crypto instead of us. So that definitely sucks. I support both Baby Doge and Shiba Inu, so shout out to them for winning this. I don't have any money in Baby Doge, so shout out to them for winning this anyway, because that's pretty cool that people are about to win money off of this championship competition. So yep, they have won, even though Shiba Inu people were cheating. As I told you guys yesterday, there was a way to cheat and try to win it, but Baby Dogecoin people were cheating anyway. That's how we learned about the method of putting your phone inside of airplane mode and then resetting your thing like that. But anyways, next thing I want to talk about here with Shiba Inu. 645,000 people now invested in Shiba Inu. So yes, 645,000 people. Yesterday we had 645,000, so not many people invested within over the day. But yeah, yesterday was 645,192. Today, 645,472. And then when you hit that refresh button, you can see 645,475. So about 2-3 people just now invested inside of Shiba Inu within the last few minutes. So not that many people, but still people are still putting money in Shiba Inu because they still see the value that it holds. So shout out to Webull for actually promoting us on Google Play. So now that we got all that done with Shiba Inu, let's talk about baby Shiba Inu, because baby Shiba Inu has been doing terrible. Let's be completely honest. Yes, it's up 1% inside the last 24 hours, but baby Shiba Inu is down 0.3% in the last 7 days, which is not bad at all. Down 6% in the last 14 days, which is really not that bad either. But the worst part is down 67.5% in the last 30 days. Now, I haven't talked about baby Shiba Inu in a while, and I'm like, yep, I have to talk about this. I have to talk about the good, the bad, the ugly with baby Shiba Inu and with Shiba Inu. So I got to talk about both of them. I can't just come out with the good news about Shiba Inu. I just can't come out with the good news about baby Shiba Inu. You know, I had to come out with the good, the bad, and the ugly. So we're going to go over this today. Now, $1.4 million is now in baby Shiba Inu. We used to have like $3.5 million when I was talking about it a lot. I thought it was about to explode, but it didn't. Sorry, everyone, that it didn't explode. But, you know, anyways, it still has potential. All it takes is from an Elon Musk tweet, and then boom, it goes crazy. It could go really crazy. Imagine if Elon Musk gets a Shiba Inu puppy like he said he was going to do. A Floki Shiba Inu. You know, he said he was going to get a Shiba Inu named Floki. So imagine he actually gets a baby Shiba Inu. Like, baby Shiba Inu is going to go crazy. Let's just be real. But anyways, baby Shiba Inu whales makes baby Shiba Inu terrible. Like, look, baby Shiba Inu whales invest and they start selling out. And then a huge dip here. This is a huge dip, and this was done by a whale. Like, it's just one person cannot. Like, one person with a little bit of money can't do that, but one person with a lot of money in baby Shiba Inu can definitely make it drop like that. So the baby Shiba Inu whales are definitely making baby Shiba Inu drop. As you can see here, lots of baby Shiba Inu being sold, some being bought as well, but we still have a lot being sold. Now, 39,888 people are invested in baby Shiba Inu. That's not that much, but still more people are investing in it every day, yet the price is still dropping because, like I said, the whales have so much leverage in baby Shiba Inu. Now, they did make a tweet 2 hours ago, but before this, they did not tweet for a whole 2 weeks, literally August 15th. You know, before today, they haven't tweeted since August 15th. That's terrible. They're supposed to be a business here. They're supposed to be, they're supposed to be business oriented. They can't just wait, a whole 2 weeks before they make another tweet. But let's give them some effort here, or not effort, but let's give them some props here for actually coming out with some more news on their app. Okay, they actually did 2 hours ago. So, I've been waiting for them to talk about something for 2 weeks, but I couldn't really report on baby Shiba Inu because they haven't really did anything in 2 weeks, other than the price going down. That's all to talk about. But now we have more to talk about now that they actually had the beta version of their app coming out. So over here it says our app's beta version phase 2 will be available late September. Stay tuned for more updates. So late September, they're going to have this beta version, and that's going to be coming very soon. So definitely watch out for that. They tried to release it too soon previously, and they didn't have it perfected, so they kind of had to redo it. And this is their moonshot apps. It's supposed to have, it's going to be just like CoinMarketCap, just like CoinGecko, except you can buy NFTs and sell NFTs on it. So imagine CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko combined, and also combine that with OpenSeas. Like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, OpenSeas equals moonshot app. That is actually a very big statement. This could actually help baby Shiba Inu go to the moon because NFTs are going crazy. And the fact that you're going to be able to sell and buy NFTs on here is going to be something that's really big for the whole crypto community, not just for baby Shiba Inu, not just for meme currencies. It's going to be for everything. So yeah, this is all I got for you guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. It helps the channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about next. And also check out the links in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. Remember, with Webull, you got to deposit $100 first, and then you can take that money and throw it right into Shiba Inu. And then also Public.com. Make sure you guys follow me on there. So download Public.com, get your free stock, use the link that I'm giving you guys, and then follow me on there. You can see my whole investment portfolio for my stocks. Right now, I'm invested inside AMD. I'm invested inside of, what else am I inside? I'm inside Zillow. I'm inside some other things, the S&P 500, the Vanguard. I'm inside a lot of things on there. So yeah, definitely check that out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.